add and subtract complex numbers. So I'm not going to talk about where the imaginary number comes from. That should have already been taught in a previous lesson. But what I will talk about is how we add and subtract them together. So it's really not that challenging. So we have 18, 4, negative 11, and 23. Right, 18 plus 4i plus negative 11 plus 23i. Okay, so it's correct. So what we need to do is identify like terms. Actually, first thing you want to do is distribute this sign. Okay, so it's positive, so we're not changing these numbers. They are going, or signs, they're going to stay the same. So we can really rewrite everything as 18 plus 4i minus 11 plus 23i. Now, if this sign was a negative, then this would change to positive, and that would change to negative. That's not what we have, so we're not doing that. But we're going to see questions coming up here that say how to do that. Now, identify like terms. So this has an I. Okay, so 4i and 23i. Those are like terms. They have the same complex number in the back, or imaginary number. And then the other thing that's the same, or that are similar, is our 18 and our negative 11. So let's do 18 minus 11, which gives us 7. And then 4i plus 23i gives us positive 27i. That's the answer. You're just adding like terms. So we have 7 plus 27i. Plus 27i, and there we go. So next one. So this one we have a negative sign. So we're going to distribute that negative sign. Actually, let's see if I can do it in here, see how it works. So this negative sign is going to change that 6 to a negative, and our 30i to a negative. So we get negative 8, a little slower, minus 6, minus 30i. So what are our like terms here? Well, I have these two are like, and there's only one I value, negative 30. So negative 8 minus 6 is negative 14, and we simply rewrite this. There's nothing else to add to that. So our answer is negative 14 minus 30i. Negative 14 minus 30i. All right. Okay, so negative 10i. We have a positive sign, so we're not changing anything. So negative 10i. I'm writing that wrong. Should be a minus. Use it minus 40. And plus 8i. Write slower. So our like terms here, this has an I, and this has an I. So negative 10i plus 8i is negative 2i. And our negative 40 just stays the same. And we should put the non-I term in the front. So we rewrite it as negative 40 in front, minus 2i in the back. Negative 40, minus 2i. I got that one wrong. Oops, making mistakes. Okay, minus 40, I'm typing upside down. Minus 2i. So, negative 40, yes, that's good. One more. Okay, we got subtraction sign here. So this negative needs to change that 50 to a negative, and our 9i to a negative. So let's rewrite it. Go 30s. 3 to me. Minus 50 minus 9i. Sorry, this is not the best software to type on. Right on. So let's look at our like terms. Negative 33 minus 50. We have minus 2i and minus 9i. So let's do our non-i's first. Minus 33 minus 50 is negative 83. And negative 2i minus 9i is minus 11i. There we go.